Hello friends, my name is Atul Arya. Today I am answering the questions related to the baggage handling. Now let's start.
What do you mean by passengers? What do you mean by passengers luggage?
Passenger personal property which are used for the comfort and convenience during the journey.
Right. Is the process of transport, handling and clearing of passenger goods internationally standardized?
No.
Right. Depending on how the passenger's luggage should be tied or what luggage the passenger is allowed to carry or how much luggage the passenger can carry with him.
It depends upon the three things. Go from one country to another, traveling from one airline to different airline, and go traveling with international to domestic flights.
Right. What is the type of passenger's baggage?
Checked and unchecked baggage.
Right. By what other name is unchecked baggage known?
Hand baggage and cabin baggage.
Right. How is check-in baggage handled at the departing airport?
Baggage are weighted at the check-in counter of the airport and paste sticker and handled to the airline ground staff.
Right. What does the passenger get after hand over their baggage to the airline ground staff?
Passenger get its receipt.
Right. Where are check-in baggage kept in an airplane?
In airplane hold.
Right. Can a passenger reach his check-in baggage during air travel?
No.
Right. If the passenger has to change the plane, what will happen to passenger's check-in baggage?
The passenger does not need to collect the baggage during the traveling or does not need to check the baggage again when they are changing the plane.
Right. Passenger at the transfer airport are not required to collect their check-in baggage and check on another plane again. By whom is the transfer done at the airport?
By airline ground staff.
Right. What information should the traveler have on all check-in baggage?
Passenger name and contact information are mentioned both inside and outside of the baggage.
Right. If the baggage has been lost on the tag, if the baggage has been lost or the tag has been removed, how can the luggage be detected in that case?
हम स्टिकर से डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं जो बैगेज के अंदर वाली साइड में लगा होता है पैसेंजर नेम और कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन.
Right. Where is the passenger's baggage kept?
Passenger hand baggage kept always with the passengers with the overhead locker and under of the airplane of the seat.
Right. Are cabin baggage weighted?
Baggage weighted. Yes, but sometimes weighted yet. Size and weight restrictions are there.
Right. Which baggage is kept in the plane?